And it's not gonna be too many more Christmases without hope. You know what I'm saying? Not to make it just about Christmas, not gonna be too many more days without hope.
Money slipping through my grip, I'm tripping off a hit. All I do is sip, dip, spit, that's how I live. Down to fifth, I'm drowning in the bottom of a bottle. And my only way out is if I fucking hit the lotto. Fat fucking pigs, all they ever do is waddle in and out of Dunkin' Donuts. When he come out, I'ma pop him. I know that ain't the answer, but fuck right in the poem. I'ma show him when you dancing with the devil is as a trophy. We just going through the motions, we token and toting nines. Floating from the potion when watching them pigs fly. Swimming in the crimson like I'm Bama, born and sprinting for the Hail Mary pass. Wearing a Bloody Mary mask. Scary on the track like Barry Bonds at bat. And the cherry on top is that I ain't even black. It ain't about your race or your status. I'm in the attic rapping, trying to change the word with my pen, cause I can tell it's backwards. Yo, come on, we gotta get this young hope, this young money.